And the Roosters have only beaten the Broncos once in 9 meetings. Never have they beaten them in Sydney. And 5 tackles gone. Langer goes back to the blind side, look for the cross kick. And it's nothing like that. It's been batted back down. Swept across by Lazarus. Lockyer through a gap. Lockyer's on his way. Lockyer scores. One of the Roosters came out of the line. And Lockyer has hurt them. Had a winger or somebody been on the spot, could have easily been in at the other end of the park. Now, quick passing by the Roosters. Clark is through, gets the pass away. Question mark on it. Jorgensen. He'll get there, will he? Yes, Jorgensen. The Roosters come back to level. Now the second, and they're still not to the 40-metre line yet. Now they are. Ryan, inside ball, Khan, and now Robbie Ross, he's away, put the points down. 8 points to 4, the Broncos under the crossbar. Brad Thorne. Chancing a pass, which Kerrod Walters comes up with. And then Alan Langer. Langer looks for support, finds it. Lockyer and Walters combine. It's gone out for Ryan. Peter Ryan has tackled, gets it away. Great pass. Back and across the card. Then away for Lockyer. Now on for Renoff. Flick passes out the back. Comes down with Lockyer. Not held. Back to the 10-metre line. 7 minutes, second half. Langer, back down the blind side. Oh, he's over and held up, bangs it down. Referee says held up, no try.
Went for that try line, looking at 4 points. And a wonderful tackle there. I think it's an Andrew Walker. Yes, it is.
Away from Fittler then. Dunn, getting involved, Paul Dunn. Iro back. Singh. Here's Matt Singh. He's through. Won the beat. Beats him. Comes to Langer. Langer holds him up. Now Walters. Oh, Kerrod. That's a great run. Now it's Alfie. He gets it away. Walker. Oh, Walker, he straightened up. I thought he could have made the corner. A draw is not beyond the realms of possibility. And that undoubtedly would send that footy tab pool up next week over $3 and $4 million. Khan away for Walker. Walker got away from Simon. Chased by Garlick. Away from Garlick. Steps inside Junee, but Junee comes again to make the tackle with John Simon. Langer. Oh, cutting run. Garlick. Simon. Fittler. Oh, good tackle, that one by Lazo. Logan the tackle. Langer. Over the 30. Inside the 20. Langer. Oh, pulled down. Inches from the line by Jorgensen. This crowd is really enjoying it out here tonight. Walker down the right. Junee. That is a super try. That is Rugby League at its best. Yes. I can't believe it.
This has been a game as good as any grand final I've ever seen. This is grand final type atmosphere here. Darren Junee, a wonderful individual try from him. And how would you like to be Ivan Cleary?
Now Cleary can win the match. It's on its way and it's gone across the face of the uprights. 10 points all. One and a half minutes back to Walker. He sidesteps around Walters. He goes for the shot, but it's gone wide. So Walker fails with the drop goal attempt.
Tony Iro was pleading to the referee that had been touched. Good pressure from Brisbane. They knew that he was the man that they had to send some players through.
10 points all. And a penalty has been given to Sydney City in front.
Oh, can you believe it, Andrew G.
Now what is this for? I think it's because he didn't release the football to take the tap restart. This is supposed to be a place kick at the middle of the 20-metre line, and Andrew G didn't put the ball on the ground.
That'll do, mate.
So he's given a penalty right in front for Ivan Cleary.
Hey, can I ask you, when you take a restart with a penalty tap, do you have to do the same?
Well, no, you don't. You're quite right, you don't. But the rule says that a 20-metre restart is taken from a place kick. Now, I'm only quoting you the theoretical side of it.
Should it be a penalty or a scrum?
Well, it's got to be a penalty, I suppose. That's what he's doing. He's taking the penalty right in front, and Sydney City have gone to the lead and won the game. Well, what a controversial way to finish a great match.